Good evening, student. This is lecture number 3 of chapter 3. Sorry, in the previous lecture we had written it as 2a. This is actually 3a. Okay, 3a. Okay. In this lecture we will discuss question number 8 and 9 of 3a. Question number 8. We have to make perfect square. So what we have to add or subtract from the expression? Okay. The question is what should be added? Okay. 4a square plus 28a. This is the very important term. In the previous lecture we had already discussed, but in this lecture again I am telling you this is a very important term which gives the value of a in this term. Okay, either we have to a plus b whole square, because we have to make perfect square. Either it is a minus b whole square, but a minus b or a plus b is depend on this term which contains numerical value as well as the a. Okay, so this is written as 2a square. Okay, 2a square, and this is the value of 2ab. So 2 into 2a into b plus b square. We have to add b square. What term should be added to each of the following expression to make it perfect square? So what we have to add? B square. Okay, b square. First we have to find out b. 2a square is 4a square plus 2 into 2a 4a. 4a into 7, that's why it is 28a. Okay, so our we can find now b, value of b equal to 7, because it makes, when we multiply 4a with 7, then it makes it 28a. So we have b equal to 7, so b square equal to 49. So in this expression we have to add 49. Okay, now second part. In the second part we have 36a square plus 49b square. In this part we have a square and b square, both the term. Like this is a square and this is b square. So a square is written as 6a square plus 7b whole square. So what is 2ab term? 2ab term is 2 into 6a into 7b. Okay, so this is 36x square, 36a square plus 49b square plus 84ab. So we have to add this term in this expression, 84ab. Now next question. Next part. You have to do third and fourth part in your homework in fair copy. Okay, fifth part. We will discuss fifth part here. In the fifth part, we have 49a to the power 4, 49a to the power 4 plus 50a square plus b square. So it must be 2ab term because it contains a and b also. A and b both. Here we have b to the power 4. So if you can write it as 7a square whole square plus, this is written as 4b square whole square. Okay, 4b square whole square, and this is written as 2 into a, 7a square into b is 4b square. Can we write it as? Let us check. Okay, we have a square, 49 a square to the square means 49 a to the power 4. B square, we have b square. Now what is the product of this term? 7 into 4, that is 56 a square b square. So what we have added to this equation? This is 50. Yes, this is 50. So we have to add 6a square b square to make it a perfect square. So in this equation, what we have to add? 49 a to the power 4. Okay, this is 56 a square b square plus 16 b to the power 4. So this is 56 and this is 50. So what we have to add? we have to add 6a square b square in this algebraic expression. Okay. Okay, now move to question number 9. That is very simple again. We have to apply only cube to or in all the question. First, question number 1 you have to do in your rough copy. Question number 2. Question number 9, second part. 3x minus 2y whole cube is a minus b whole cube. What is the formula for that? A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, so if you apply this, a equal to 3x and b equal to 2y. Okay, so what is a cube? 3x cube. 3x cube minus b cube 2y cube minus 3a square 3x square b 2y plus 3a 3x plus b square 2y square. Okay, cube 27x cube minus 8y cube minus 3 into 3 square into 3 27 into 2 54 x square y, then plus 3 into 3 9 into 4 2 square 4 9 into 4 36 x y square. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. 3x minus 2y. The expansion of this form is this. Now fourth part third is your homework in your copy. Now fourth part again very simple. 2x minus 1 by 3x. 2x minus 1 by 3x whole cube. Again we have a equal to 2x and b equal to minus 1 by 3x. Okay, we have to apply a minus b whole cube. That is a cube 2x cube minus b is 1 by 3x. Actually very sorry. B equal to 1 by 3x. So we have to apply 1 by 3x whole cube minus 3a square 2x square into b 1 by 3x plus 3a b square is 1 by 3x whole square. Okay, 2x cube 8x cube minus 1 by 27x cube minus 3 into 4x square into 1 by 3x. Okay, plus 3 into 2x into 1 upon 9x square. Cancel the term, like x cancel with this x this. Okay, so answer is 8x cube minus 1 by 27x cube minus 3 into 4. This 3 is cancelled with this. 3 cancel with this 3 is 9. So we have minus 4x only. Okay, 3x. Okay, minus 4x plus 2 upon 3x. 2 upon 3x. So this is the answer. Okay, fifth part is your homework in your fair copy. Okay, thank you for this. In the upcoming lecture we will discuss exercise 3b. Thank you.